Welcome. If you want to get Gboard on your Huawei P40 Pro, you have to download this application from Google Play Store on the second smartphone. And right now you have to open the application to transfer data. I recommend you to get the phone clone or the second application that is really good and works smoothly. It's Clone It, but I'm gonna use the phone clone. Let's open this application on both smartphones. On your old Android phone, tap on the old phone, and on your P40 Pro, choose the new phone. And right now we have to select the old phone type. In my case, this is the Huawei. And right here we have to scan the QR code. Now just wait because our smartphones are connecting. Unselect all applications, scroll down to enter apps and data, and right here we have to find the Gboard. Okay, and right now tap on the OK, transfer, input your log method, and just wait. Okay, and it's finished. And right now we can open the Gboard on our Huawei P40 Pro. Tap on the enable settings, select this marker, select input method, the Gboard, and it's done. It is working. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.